Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Happy Eats. I'm your host, Dave. Today we're doing something a little bit different here. I bought this little, it's called a Gigantex charcoal grill. It's a great little hibachi grill. I'm going to leave a link for it in the description below. It's going to be in my Amazon account. I bought this because I do a lot of fishing, and I wanted something small and compact to take with me. So when I'm out there and I want to barbecue up some hot dogs or something, just build it up and do it myself. So anyway, I just wanted to try this out. But I figured, let's take it to the next level. So my next level is, I got some garlic here that's roasting on there. I have a beautiful prime rib that we're going to season and get on there and cook that up, along with some onion. I have my avocado oil. Put that on there. Rub it in real good. Add some of my seasoning here. Be liberal because it's a big piece of meat. Now I did trim it up a little bit, but not a whole lot. That fits on there pretty nice. That's a good sized piece of meat. I have some onion here. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take a little bit of oil on there. Put that just like that. Oh man, those onions are spot on. Look at those onions. Oh yeah. Alright, let's cut this sucker right in half. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the flavor. I'm gonna make me an onion taco. Oh wow. Gigantex Hibachi Grill, Amazon. You can check it. The link will be in the description below. Put a prime rib on there. I'm telling you, it's gonna come out fantastic. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share it with your friends. As always, God bless and happy eats.